Yeah. I think it's over to the left.
I'm trying to locate it now.
All right, give me a moment then, because I've
cut the engine for a bit.
Sorry, cut the engine. Okay.
Aircraft behind, 5 o'clock, 2 miles, 500 feet below, overtaking at 190 miles per hour.
It's right out. It could be the other side of the firth.
Oh dear. Okay, that's the Tay. I'm not crossing a wide bit. Okay, so I'm gonna have to come back round for that.
Okay.
And I've got an aircraft over there to my right at the minute at 1 o'clock. And he's going to come round and come in at Dundee, so...
Okay.
Can you see him down there, look? White aircraft?
Yeah.
Right.
And 92 Tango, that drone appears to be overhead the village of Lytham.
That's the very firth, is it?
Trying to get in touch with Perth on Scottish.
That's the Tay.
Approximately altitude 3,200 itself. Holding steady position overhead the village of Lytham. And we are joining crosswind 27.
I hope he doesn't think I'm a drone. I just heard him report a drone. Dundee Approach, Gyrocopter Golf Hotel Lima. Request basic service.
Back, you can come in a second.
Conduct rifle.